Hello students, I am Gladstone Dhanpur. Welcome to my channel. I am the teacher of Gyanodaya High School and today I am going to explain you about respiration. Class 10th life process. Second main topic after digestion is respiration. So please get your notes and start writing all the informations what I am giving about it and try to understand the concept clearly, and whatever doubts are there you can comment it or you can message me. So first of all, respiration. Normally we think respiration means breathing, or whatever we are breathing in or breathing out, that is called respiration. But it is not like that. Respiration means, actually it means the liberation of energy from food is called respiration. Okay, whatever food we are eating, and if that is used for taking out energy, that is called respiration. Now the next thing, if you are getting confused, let me explain what is then breathing in. So breathing is inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide is called breathing. Simply, inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide is called breathing. When we are inhaling, we are becoming fat, or our chest is coming out, that is called inhaling, and we are taking in oxygen. When we are exhaling, when we are giving out carbon dioxide, and this completes the whole stage of breathing. Now the respiration, it is of two types. Respiration is of two types. Aerobic respiration and the second is anaerobic respiration. The two types of respirations are there: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means here oxygen is used, or presence of oxygen in all living beings. Anaerobic respiration means in absence of oxygen, like yeast. Okay, aerobic respiration means the respiration which is used in presence of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. And anaerobic respiration means the respiration which is done in absence of oxygen, it is called anaerobic respiration. It is normally seen in the case of yeast, whereas human beings, we are also human beings, sometimes it is also seen in us. So let me explain you in detail about all this. So first of all, respiration takes place in our cellular level, that is in the cytoplasm of our cells. So whatever we are eating, or after digestion, it is formed in the part of glucose, or whatever we are eating, that is consumed by our body or accepted by our body in the form of glucose. Okay, so glucose, it is a 6 carbon molecule. Glucose in the cytoplasm. it is converted to pyruvate. So glucose is converted to pyruvate. That is a 3-carbon molecule plus some amount of energy is released. So firstly, glucose is converted into pyruvate in the cytoplasm, which is a 3-carbon molecule, and 3 carbons are gone. Now some amount of energy is released. Then firstly we will talk about anaerobic respiration. So here you will write in absence of oxygen in yeast. So in the case of yeast, which is used for making breads and all, so in absence of oxygen, what they are doing, this pyruvate they are converting into ethanol. Okay, ethanol, which is a 2-carbon molecule plus carbon dioxide plus energy. So when I am telling, first glucose in the cellular level in cytoplasm, it is converted to pyruvate. Pyruvate is a 3-carbon molecule and energy is released. Then in absence of oxygen, yeast are converting this pyruvate into ethanol, which is a 2-carbon molecule. Then they are releasing carbon dioxide and some amount of energy they are getting. Similarly, in case of human beings, that is when we are lacking oxygen, lack of oxygen, that happens in muscle cells. Suppose when we are running more, then we are getting pains in the muscles. Okay, sometimes we are playing more than here or here, we are getting injuries or muscles are torn. So that is called cramp. Okay, so these cramps, they happen when our muscles has used up all the energy and we still want some energy. So what our muscles are doing, they are directly converting this pyruvate into lactic acid. And they are releasing lot of energy. This lactic acid, it is also a 3-carbon molecule. Because of this lactic acid, we are suffering from cramps. Okay, the pain, immense pain what we are getting, that is because of this lactic acid. Then the next thing or the last thing in the respiration is the aerobic respiration. That is normally happening in our body. Okay, that is in presence of oxygen in mitochondria. You might be knowing about mitochondria last year. That is the powerhouse of the cell. It is giving power currency, okay, which is called ATP. So this powerhouse of the cell, it is generating ATP. How? So first, this pyruvate is directly now converted into carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Okay. Now this carbon dioxide, this pyruvate is converted into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Now energy, you might be knowing about these two things. One is your ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Then the next is ADP, adenosine diphosphate. These are the two things. First of all, ADP is a low energy, ATP is a high energy. So first, here it is the low energy, here it is the low energy. So ADP, when it is combined with one phosphate molecule, then it forms ATP. Okay, ATP is the more energy currency, ADP is the less energy currency. So this is all about aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Now, I'll be representing about what are the different types of respiratory system, or what are the different mechanism, how we are breathing, how we are doing respiration, or in what way our body is able to respire. That all things I'll be explaining you in my next video. Thank you.